Ever wondered how to create a perfect half circle in Google Slides? Today, I'll show you a simple and precise method that will take your presentations to the next level. First, open your Google Slides and go straight to the top menu. Click on Insert, then hover over Shape and select Shapes. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but the one we want is the pie shape. Click on it, then click and drag on your slide to draw the shape. To make sure your circle is perfectly proportional, hold down the Shift key as you draw. This ensures it doesn't turn into an oval. Once your circle is drawn, you'll notice a small orange dot on the shape. This is your key to transforming it. Click and drag this orange dot to the left until your circle turns into a perfect half circle. It's that simple. Now, you can move your half circle around, resize it, or adjust it exactly where you need it. To make it visually appealing, open the Format Options menu. You can change the fill color, adjust the border, and even add effects to make it pop. And there you have it, a perfectly clean half circle in Google Slides, ready for charts, diagrams, or any creative design you can imagine. Try it out, play with the colors and sizes, and your presentations will look more professional in seconds. With just a few clicks, you've mastered a trick that makes your slides stand out.